Honor has just landed its latest offering in India. This is the new Honor 9N, and it's the company's budget phone featuring a Notch FullView display. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. The box has a clean minimalistic look with just the Honor 9N imprint. On the back, there are some key highlights like the Notch FullView display, 16 megapixel front camera, 2.5D curved glass, and the fast face unlock. There are other specs mentioned here as well, but we'll get to those in a bit. Let's first see what's in the inside. First thing you see is the phone itself. Let's take it out. Right up front is its 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display. The back is quite glossy to look at. You can see the horizontal dual camera setup with the flash and the fingerprint sensor. Now we're going to switch it on and keep it on the side for now. Folded right below the phone, you get a SIM eject tool. There are the usual quick start and warranty papers. Then there's a transparent case for the phone, and it's a hard case. Finally, there is the charger and the micro USB power cable. So here it is, everything that you get in the box when you buy the Honor 9N. Now Honor claims that the 9N comes with 12 layers of glass with a nano coating finish on the top that gives the phone a mirror-like effect. Because of the notch, it has a 19:9 aspect ratio, and the noticeable bezels give it a 79% screen-to-body ratio. The dual rear camera is comprised of a 13 megapixel primary sensor along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The rear camera boasts of features like PDAF, wide aperture mode, AR lens, and more. The front camera is a 16 megapixel sensor with features like portrait mode, gender beauty mode, and gesture control. The Honor 9N is powered by an octa-core Kirin 659 SoC. The unit we have has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The phone also runs on Android 8 Oreo with Honor's EMUI version 8 running on top of it. All this running on a 3000 mAh battery. So that's it for a quick unboxing and a first look at the brand new Honor 9N. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.